Hello, my name is Terry Samuels, and I want to welcome you to the Advanced Schema Course. This course was put together to be a very comprehensive course about schema and the different aspects of schema, and not only why it's important, especially today, but when and how you implement it and on which pages you do the implementation for. There's a lot of confusion out there about schema as far as, I have a plugin, the plugin does some schema, so my schema is okay. Well, this course is going to teach you differently. This course is going to teach you why it's important to take schema not only to the next level, but to really start testing and implementing it into areas that you didn't even think of before. So this course is going to be very comprehensive. It's going to be different modules. Each module is going to have a video. It's going to have a text walkthrough, and each module is designed so you can go through whatever you need to go through. For instance, if you have a local business or you have local business clients, maybe you don't need to go into the e-commerce portion of schema. So once you see the course and once you walk through the course, then you'll get a better feel and understanding of how it is. I also designed each module so you could give a module to a VA and it talks about implementation and stuff like that in the modules. So one thing I want to caution you on is that you really need to watch the videos. There's a lot more stuff in the videos than just schema. So we're going to be working on one of my lead gen sites that we just dusted off and are going to start to rank for a niche down purpose that we were doing. And we've been in this niche for years, but we're building a website now designed strictly around this. So you're going to get to see this. You're going to get to see, how I do on page, how I build pages, how I do press releases. So please pay attention and watch the videos, because this stuff is not in the text. So the text is just more of a guide to where the videos are the ones that you really want to pay attention to learn this. And as a side note, we do have a white label version to do schema for you. If it's still too much work, too complicated, too whatever, I totally get that. It is work. That's a reason why a lot of people don't do this type of schema. But I think once you realize what this type of schema can do, then it might change your mind a little bit. But even so, like I said, we have a white label division. We help a lot of agencies do schema, and we're happy to take a look at whatever you have. Also, as a closing, we have a private Facebook group, and this private Facebook group is access to me and access to asking questions about schema and about other topics. It's not a group to where you can ask me anything, so to speak, only because I'm trying to keep this around a certain area of SEO or of digital marketing. So anyways, welcome. I hope you like and look forward to in continuing your journey, if you want to use that word, through the schema course. But I do think that you'll like it. I've been doing this for 6 years now, and I've been teaching it for about 4. And I can tell you it's been a real pleasure putting this course together for you guys. Thank you.